a quick question. So you mentioned earlier to focus on four part, which is more on our problem, our objective, so on and so forth, within the 10 minutes. So is there anything else we should be a bit more, we should provide a bit more to sort of score better, to put it simply?
Research methodology, the next one, because when it comes to this 10 marks evaluation, they will go more towards the problem statements, objectives, and then we go focus on to the literature
The
review
framework.
findings and the research methodology. When you talk about research methodology, your data set selections, preliminary results of your data sets, and then your frameworks. Okay, no need to be a perfect in your framework because it may change as you go into a P2, but at least there is some framework that is related to your work that's contributing for your success of your P2 implementation.
Okay, thank you,